Good morning to everyone. In the present study, basil and wild strawberry were chosen as model plant species for the evaluation of remediated marine sediment reuse as plant substrate. The reallocation of dredge sediment from harbors and waterways in horticulture appears challenging due to the possible transfer of contamination to soil, plant and humans, but at the same time could be a strategy for reducing the intensive use of peat in soil culture. Thus, phytoremediated and land-farmed sediment dredged from the Leghorn port was used alone or mixed with peat-based substrate for the cultivation of basil, cultivars Genovese and Valentino, and wild strawberry cultivar Regina delle Valli under greenhouse conditions and applying different water regimes. Plant growth and physiological parameters, as well as productivity, organoleptic quality, and food safety were assessed, and some of these chemical analyses are still being implemented. Starting from the substrate characteristics, the sediment showed higher bulk density and pH when compared to the control. Total organic carbon and total nitrogen showed significantly higher values in control substrate compared to the sediment, owing to the organic nature of peat. Conversely, the sediment showed higher phosphorus concentrations than peat, thus representing a positive attribute from the agronomic viewpoint. Considering the element concentration, higher values were scored for metals, but only the zinc values were exceeding the contamination limit assessed as safe by the legislation regarding soil requirements. Basil cultivars behaved similarly, and best germination performance were obtained with the substrate made from the mixture of sediment and peat. Basil production was influenced by the substrate, being total fresh weight and leaf area significantly higher in plants obtained on peat-based growing media. However, plants did not show any visible phytotoxic symptoms or damages. On the other hand, the remediated sediment proved to be a valid alternative to peat for wild strawberry production, since no considerable differences among the substrates were observed for productivity, even if fruits harvested from plants cultivated on peat-based growing media displayed slightly higher fresh and dry weight values. Marketable fruits obtained from plants cultivated on the different growing media showed similar pomological characteristics. Only treatable acidity were found to be higher in fruits obtained on sediment-based media. Thank you very much for your attention.